Do you like that cake?
Mm-hmm.
It's a cookie cake.
Mm-hmm.
And then tomorrow, what are you going to have?
A cupcake cake.
What kind of cupcake cake?
With ice cream.
What is it, though? What kind of cupcake cake do you have?
An Angry Bird.
Yep. I love you.
Love you.
What's Nanny doing?
I don't know.
Don't look. Turn around. Close your eyes. Cover them up. Cover them up. Cover them up. Cover them up.
Ta-da!
It's a big boy bite. What do you think?
Thank you.
You like it? Check it out, man.